You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I was born ready for this.
Oh wait, hey, you got a gauge so you can tell the guys, you can monitor for them.
Yeah, speed up.
Yeah.
Speed up.
Yeah, let's go.
Flames, amazing. You'll see.
This is the Vegas experience.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'll say make it
I know, right? Yeah.
So linear angles not gonna work anymore.
Alright, here we go.
All right.
How'd you do that? Huh? How'd you do that? Oh, we got the Unity lab.
Yeah.
One more?
You can feel the heat.
Dude, that was a freaking mission. We got all the way out here, the Sunoco station. We got the Sunoco Altimaniac just freaking ripping, dude. Doing some street driving. It's awesome. This thing actually is registered and insured for the street, so pretty fun run to bring her out here. You know, a little different than what we normally do, especially on a SEMA weekend. Brought it out here, did a little street driving, threw some backfires, threw some manual lags, went on the F1 track, made it to the Sphere. We got to the Sphere, went through the Aria, so pretty fun run, I'll tell you what. So yeah, just gonna hang out, get some photos with Larry Chen and the gang, and everybody else. We're gonna head on back.
Damn, we got the front of house coming out, dude. Yeah! I love it.
Yeah.
Have you had a race car come here yet?
No, not yet. I mean, as far as I know, we were the first one to open it.
Oh, awesome.
The place.
We love Sunoco.
Big fans, big stickers. Big.
Gnarly, dude. We went through the Sphere, or around the Sphere, we went through the F1 track section, there was a McLaren. I don't know, dude, just being on the streets, everyone's pointing at you, you know, Chris is shooting fireballs, like, what a cool day, what a cool day. I'm ending my vlog here because you can't really top this, you know what I mean? This is the Vegas experience.
I thought it was completely meant to be. It was so cool how it all aligned. Flames, amazing. You'll see, but yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you freaking hear that? Pretty freaking sick, right? They're asking if we can do a burnout.
I said we're doing a little burnout. I said, but it's gonna be worth it. We're gonna post it everywhere. You're gonna love it. They said as long as they can video it.
Oh boy.
You said what? Wait.
Well, my only concern is we were doing a lot of anti-lag, so I'm hoping that I can clear it out. So we gotta get it nice and hot. It might clear out. Gotta get those plugs juiced up. This is gonna get cool.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
hard.
Wait, you barefoot?
I had to, because my sneakers don't fit between the pedals. So when I was trying to left foot brake, I couldn't do it. So that's why I stopped, took my shoes off. I was like, we're good. That was mental. Good. Hey, she said do whatever you want. So we did. It's fair.
Oh my god. Sick. That was insane.
Look, see, she's smiling. They're stoked.
That was so.
That was awesome.
Holy cow.
Yeah. Did not expect that. Hey, it cleared up. It is coming into the final days of 2024, and we're having a big sale on shop.forsbergracing.com. So hop on there to grab our last pieces of merch before we line up our 2025 new gear, where you have a few keychains left, some more shirts, and we have a couple of these awesome Nismo hats left in stock. So make sure to head on over shop.forsbergracing.com to grab our last pieces.
And give me some anti-lag.
Yeah, that's what I like to hear.
Tell my boy how to shoot anything.
Yeah, we are finishing up our little shoot here with the Altimaniac. We're on our way back to the track. But yeah, we're gonna try and hit the strip. We got Jackson driving. Yeah, there we go. Get some anti-lag, rip in. Watch out for that corner. What'd you think, lady? How was that?
It was so cool.
It was awesome.
I want to do it again.
Yeah, it was pretty rowdy. I did not think that we're gonna be ripping the Altimaniac around the street a little bit. There you go. Yeah, big path.
Just like it's like unbelievably loud.
Oh yeah.
But it's like the car is very smooth.
Jackson drive the rig back. He seemed pretty stoked on it, so I was like, "Yeah, you want to drive it?" So he and the boys are all in there. Pierre, Adrian, Jackson, and Danielle, and yeah, let them have a little fun too.
Yeah, that's definitely Jackson's reward for just kicking ass this whole week, getting the motor in,
Yeah.
getting the body panels back and getting it ready. It's been flawless.
All right, we're back. Made it safe and sound. Dude, what a freaking trip.
What a day, dude. What a day.
I did not think we were doing that today.
That was awesome. That reminded me of being a skateboarder.
I know.
When you go somewhere, you look good, you're like, we're doing this no matter what. Like,
That's an awesome way to put it. Just like find the spot, hit the spot, go back home. Sorry. big shoe problems.
Can we do Mark Post?
Yes.
Can we do this?
Yes. We did it!
We legit did a whole freaking Sunoco campaign.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
That reminded me of when I was a skateboarder, bro. Right? You're on a mission, you pull up to the spot, it just works out.
Yeah.
You gotta try it, you go for it.
Let's do it.
Make it happen.
You drifted a gas station.
Freaking gas station, dude.
What the hell?
Had to kick the old shoes off, but we got it done.
Honestly, best part of SEMA.
Yeah, by far. By far. Yeah. That was super sick. Yeah. Unbelievable.
This is kind of how we keep things interesting, honestly.
It
Like,
is,
It's
yeah.
the little things that just make us happy. Like we're real car nerds.
Yes. In
We're
the
the
end.
biggest nerds.
See, right, Liz? We're nerds. We talk about it all the time.
Yeah.
Right, nerds and dorks. Two best kinds of
Yeah.
people. And we are definitely car nerds.
I'll tell you what, right now, I love being the reason that we're doing this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
You know, like
It's just,
You
it's a
just
little
do this.
idea that just like snowballs.
you or anyone else can do this fun stuff, but the point is we love to be there to capture it.
Yeah.
And it's just something so simple. You know, 1,300 horsepower car on the street, cruising.
Doing a cruise, passing
Cruising.
by, you know, the strip, rolling down on the F1 track.
even going
seeing the
fast.
sphere. Yeah, we're just rolling. But the A, like, it kind of brings a little bit, you know, into the mix. But yeah, I mean, like we were saying, just like such a cool, like, series of events to line up for this to kind of all come together. It's I was like, hey, there's a Sunoco gas station. Hey, we got the new car. Like, let's do a photo shoot. And then like we get there and the owners are so cool. And then we're like, you know, hey, like maybe we do a burnout. They're like, you do whatever you want. And I was like, well, let's trip this lot. So yeah, just like,
So good.
you know, just positive people doing positive things.
I love that you probably, as a human being, have drifted more than pretty much most people. Like,
I got some
I would say
miles.
you're like top 20 in terms of drift miles,
Yeah.
drift hours
Yeah, a lot
on
of
the
time.
odometer, okay?
Yeah.
And then just like 50 feet of drifting, you're
absolutely
you're
stoked.
so stoked.
100%.
Amazing.
Just a perfect story.
So good.
Thanks for
Dude,
coming,
thank
Larry.
you so much, as always. So good.